No bake Brigadeiro with just 3 ingredients, no condensed milk. In a bowl, add 200 grams of cream and a packet of tang juice. Mix well. When it's mixed, gradually add 200 grams of powdered milk. Once it reaches this consistency, it's perfect. Set it aside. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge. Chill until cold, then it's ready to use. Now, let's roll the mixture into balls. In a separate bowl, add some powdered milk. Roll all our brigadeiros in it. After coating in powdered milk, shake off excess. They're done. Look how amazing these turn out, folks. Super quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. That's another quick recipe for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you next time.